I know for a fact most of you aren't happy with the clothes in your wardrobe, and every morning that you go into your closet and look, you probably think, man, I got nothing to wear today. You swear nothing looks good on you, but here's the thing. Here's what I'm here to tell you. The clothing that you have in your closet already has the potential to look good on you, but you're probably committing one of these 6 mistakes in this video that's making everything that you put on just look bad. Let's hop into this. Number 1, the mirrors in those stores are fugazi. Oh, damn, my New York is coming out. They're baloney. They're BS. See, let me explain. How many times have you been in a store, right? You throw something on, you look in the mirror, and you're like, God damn, I look good. Take my money, right? You go home, you try it on again, and all of a sudden it's just not fitting right. It doesn't look the same, right? It doesn't have the same vibe. It's not you. It's not you, my guy. See, they tricked you. Most of these stores are specific. They know what they're doing. So when you try the clothing on in the fitting rooms, the lighting in those rooms, it's insane. Just to give you an example, go and take your shirt off and take a picture in one of those fitting rooms. You're going to look shredded. They know what they're doing. They set the lighting up to make you look thinner, and then on top of that, there's actually mirrors that distort your body image to make you look up to 10 pounds thinner. So mix that with proper lighting, anything you throw on is going to look a million times better than what it looks like at home. Number 2, you're mismatching colors. See, this is a huge one. A lot of times you have the right stuff in your wardrobe, but you're not wearing them properly. You don't know how to mix colors. There was actually a comment in one of my recent videos, about 2 or 3 videos ago, that said, is it just me or does Jose never wear color? You're absolutely damn right that I don't wear color because, yo, I'm a practitioner of my own tips. Like the stuff that I give you, it's not BS. I apply it to my life. I don't like colors because it makes your mornings more difficult. I love neutrals. I love sands. I love blacks. I love grays. I love blues. And the beauty of that is that they're interchangeable. I can throw anything in my wardrobe on together and it matches perfectly. It makes it easy. This is why with essentials, when I sit down and design, I use the same theory. See, I've said this 1 in a million times. Everything that I design with all the knowledge that I have about clothing, about proportions, and about looking good. So to make your life easier, to give you pieces that are essential, I designed suits. For example, our latest scuba suit, which was our summer short and mock neck tee combo. Yo, this was specifically designed to make you look good throughout entire summer. See, the suit in specific was cut with the tri-blend fabric. Just the fabric itself, it feels, I don't even know how to explain. It's like a thick blanket. It's the softest thing you'll ever feel in your life. And I doubt any other brand even uses this fabric because the fabric alone took us about 3 months just to source. But we use a specific fabric that's breathable, that keeps you fresh, that keeps you cool. Then I make both pieces out of the same material. What this does is that it makes your life easier, right? You wake up in the morning, you can just throw the shorts and the shirt on, you're out the door, you look good. Or you just throw the shirt on with some pants, you look good. Or you just throw the shorts on with a different shirt, you look good. This is why our scuba suit, boys, is flying, and honestly, well, actually almost everything flew. We still have a few scuba suit colors though. If you guys want to check that out, it's going to be linked down below. Like I said, boys, there is a reason why I design essentials. I make sure that they're basic, that they're simple, and it makes your life easier so you can look good. My guys, this last launch, 800,000 people hit the site. Do you know how hard it is for a brand to get almost 1 million people to hit a site? 1 million people. Yo, you guys crushed this. 95% of the inventory is gone. One of our largest launches. You guys just keep crushing it more and more. So you already know our next launch for essentials, it's going to knock it out the ballpark. If you guys want to check out our scuba suit, yo, click that link down below. Number 3, you're not fit. See, there's a reason why some people, anything they throw on just looks good on them. They have the ideal body proportions. And then anything that they throw on follows suit, making them just look perfect all the time. By the way, notice how I said you have to be fit and not a bodybuilder. Because those dudes with like really bulky muscles, it's almost equal to somebody being obese where the clothing will just not look right on you because you're over proportioned in certain areas. You just want to look lean, athletic. You want to be healthy. That is your goal. When you're healthy, your body's going to look good. It's going to look natural. And anything you put on it, it's going to look good too. Number 4, you have poor posture. Have you ever heard the term, it's all about how you carry yourself? Well, 95% of that term is all about posture because it quite literally is talking about how you carry yourself through life. See, even being a tiny bit slouched, your perceived confidence to the world, it dwindles. And clothing already starts looking weird on you. See, what you need to understand is that designers, even myself, when we design clothing, we're thinking about a perfect body, right? So that means a perfectly erect body. So you have to be standing straight. Your shoulders are back. Your chest is out. And we adjust for all this stuff when you cut and sew the fabric. On top of that, designers, most of them are thinking about a mannequin when they design this stuff. That's why when you see male models running the runway, these guys, head held high, chin up, shoulders back, chest out, and they just look ultra confident and the clothing looks good on them. Anytime you deviate from that perfect posture, all of a sudden seams won't sit right, the clothing won't drape right, and it's just not gonna look good on you. Number 5, you're buying too much hype. See, your closet's probably filled with dead trends and hyped new pieces that you just don't feel comfortable wearing or don't know how to wear properly. See, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how popular the item is or how costly the item is, it's not gonna do the work for you and just automatically look good on you. You need that confidence. You need that swagger. You need to know how to pull it off. So as soon as you start buying stuff to impress others, rather than buying stuff that builds up your confidence that you feel good in, that's when you start losing and clothing starts looking bad on you. And finally, number 6, your clothing's just wrinkled, bro. Like, if your collar's a mess, your buttons are all over the place. Some dudes, I've even seen dudes wear button-ups and their buttons are misbuttoned. Like, they can't even get that right. Your shirt is mistucked. Doesn't matter how nice of a garment it is or how expensive it is, or if you get everything else that I talked about in this video right. If you just look sloppy, you don't iron your stuff, you're never gonna look good. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 mistakes that you are making that's making clothing just look bad on you, bro. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our scuba suit. I believe it's the last thing we have in stock. Everything else flew. You guys are G's. Yo, that's amazing. That's it for me today. See you next time.